Welcome back, everyone. Thank you all for stopping by. In today's video, we'll be discussing the 12 best foods for building muscle and enhancing your overall strength. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're looking to level up your gains, these powerhouse foods will fuel your body and help you grow stronger, faster. Packed with nutrients, each one is carefully selected to give your muscles the boost they need to recover and build. Get ready to supercharge your strength, feel amazing, and take your fitness to the next level, one delicious bite at a time. Let's dive in. Proper nutrition is essential for fueling workouts, aiding recovery, and promoting muscle growth. While protein powders are popular, our focus will be on whole foods that provide not only protein, but also vital nutrients necessary for optimal performance and health. Viewers can expect to learn about a variety of nutrient-dense options that can easily be incorporated into their diets, ensuring they have the right fuel to support their strength training and muscle-building endeavors effectively. Proper nutrition is vital for muscle growth and recovery, as it provides the essential building blocks your body needs. A balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats is crucial. Protein aids in muscle repair and growth, while carbohydrates replenish energy. Essential fats support overall health. During strength training, muscle tissue undergoes stress and breaks down, necessitating adequate nutrition for effective rebuilding. Without sufficient nutrients, the body may struggle to recover, leading to muscle loss and diminished performance. Therefore, prioritizing a well-rounded diet is essential for anyone looking to enhance their strength and maintain muscle mass effectively. Eggs are a powerhouse food for muscle building, packed with high-quality protein that supports muscle repair and growth. Each egg contains about 6 grams of protein, along with essential amino acids crucial for recovery. The egg yolk is particularly beneficial, providing healthy fats and cholesterol, which are important for hormone production and overall health. The nutrients found in eggs, such as vitamins D and B12, play a significant role in energy production and muscle function. Incorporating eggs into your diet can enhance recovery after workouts, ensuring your body has the necessary resources to rebuild and strengthen muscle effectively. Lean beef is essential for muscle growth due to its high protein content, providing about 25 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, along with essential amino acids that are vital for muscle repair and development. Grass-fed beef offers additional benefits, as it typically contains higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which can aid in muscle mass gain and fat reduction. Furthermore, the saturated fats found in beef play a crucial role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels, which are important for muscle growth and overall strength. Including lean beef in your diet can significantly support your fitness goals and enhance your muscle-building efforts. Chicken breasts are a top choice for muscle building, offering an impressive protein content of about 26 grams per 3-ounce serving, making them an excellent source for muscle repair and growth. In addition to protein, chicken breasts are rich in essential vitamins, such as vitamin B6 and niacin, which support your energy level, your metabolism, and overall muscle function. A high-protein diet, including chicken, not only aids in muscle preservation, but also promotes fat burning, helping to maintain a lean physique. By incorporating chicken breasts into your meals, you can effectively fuel your workouts and enhance your muscle-building efforts while supporting your overall health. Salmon is an exceptional food for muscle synthesis, providing high-quality protein with approximately 22 grams per 3-ounce serving essential for muscle repair and growth. Additionally, salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in supporting muscle synthesis and enhancing recovery after workouts. Omega-3 also helps reduce inflammation and promote blood flow, allowing for better nutrient delivery to muscles. Beyond muscle benefits, including salmon in your diet offers numerous overall health advantages, such as improved heart health, brain function, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating salmon into your meals can significantly enhance your fitness journey and overall health. Cottage cheese is a favorite among bodybuilders due to its impressive protein content, offering about 28 grams of protein per cup, primarily in the form of slow-digesting casein. This slow digestion makes it an ideal choice for muscle recovery during sleep, as it provides a steady release of amino acids that support muscle repair and growth overnight. Compared to whey protein, which digests quickly, cottage cheese offers a sustained source of protein that can be more effective for muscle growth when consumed before bedtime. Incorporating cottage cheese into a bodybuilder's diet can significantly enhance recovery and promote optimal muscle development. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for muscle building, boasting a high protein content of around 20 grams per serving, which includes a beneficial combination of whey and casein proteins. This unique blend allows for both immediate and sustained amino acid release, making it ideal for muscle gain. Consuming Greek yogurt not only supports muscle growth but also aids in enhancing strength and recovery after workouts. The probiotics found in Greek yogurt can improve gut health, further contributing to overall nutrient absorption. By incorporating Greek yogurt into your diet, you can effectively fuel your muscles and optimize your recovery process for better performance. Milk is a powerful ally for muscle growth, offering a balanced combination of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats that support overall nutrition. It contains both whey and casein proteins, providing a quick source of amino acids for immediate recovery and a slower release for sustained muscle repair. Consuming milk after workouts aids in post-exercise recovery by replenishing glycogen stores and promoting muscle repair. Additionally, milk is rich in essential amino acids and omega-3 fatty acids, which contribute to muscle growth and reduce inflammation. Incorporating milk into your diet can enhance your recovery process and support your muscle-building efforts effectively. Brown rice is a valuable addition to a muscle-building diet, primarily due to its high carbohydrate content and slow digesting properties. With approximately 45 grams of carbohydrates per cup, it provides a steady source of energy that fuels workouts and stimulates muscle growth. The complex carbohydrates in brown rice help maintain stable blood sugar levels, ensuring sustained energy during intense training sessions. Additionally, studies have shown that rice protein can be effective in promoting muscle gain comparable to other protein sources. By incorporating brown rice into your meals, you can enhance your energy levels and support your overall muscle-building efforts effectively. Quinoa is an exceptional food for muscle gain, offering a complete protein profile with about 8 grams of protein per cup, along with a healthy dose of fiber and essential minerals like magnesium and iron. These nutrients not only support muscle repair, but also contribute to overall health. Quinoa plays a significant role in increasing insulin-like growth factor, or IGF levels, which is crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Additionally, the minerals found in quinoa are vital for muscle and nerve function, ensuring optimal performance during workouts. Incorporating quinoa into your diet can enhance your muscle-building efforts while promoting a healthier lifestyle. Beans are a fantastic choice for muscle building, boasting a high fiber content along with approximately 15 grams of protein per cup, making them an excellent plant-based protein source. They are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, such as iron, magnesium, and folate, which are crucial for muscle growth and overall health. The combination of protein and fiber in beans helps promote muscle growth, making them a great addition to any diet. Furthermore, including beans in your meals offers long-term health benefits, making them a great addition to any diet. Incorporating beans can significantly enhance your muscle-building journey. Peanuts are highly beneficial for muscle building due to their impressive nutritional profile, containing about 7 grams of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates per ounce. This combination provides a well-rounded source of energy, making peanuts an excellent snack to fuel workouts. With a calorie content of approximately 170 calories per ounce, they offer a substantial energy supply, essential for sustaining intense training sessions. Additionally, peanuts are rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a critical role in stimulating protein synthesis, promoting muscle growth and recovery. Incorporating peanuts into your diet can effectively support your muscle-building goals while providing lasting energy. Spinach is a powerhouse vegetable for muscle gain, primarily due to its high content of the amino acid glutamine, which plays a vital role in muscle building and recovery. Glutamine helps reduce muscle soreness and supports immune function, making it essential for those engaged in intense training. Spinach is rich in calcium and iron, both of which are crucial for maintaining bone strength and overall health. The calcium supports muscle contractions, while iron is essential for oxygen transport in the blood, enhancing endurance. Incorporating spinach into your diet can significantly benefit individuals involved in weight training, promoting optimal performance and recovery. In this video, we highlighted the importance of whole foods for effective muscle building, emphasizing that nutrient-dense options provide the essential proteins, carbohydrates, and fats necessary for optimal growth and recovery. We discussed various foods, including eggs, lean beef, chicken breasts, salmon, and more, showcasing their unique benefits for muscle synthesis. We encourage viewers to incorporate these foods into their daily diets to support their fitness goals. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and explore more content for additional tips and insights on nutrition and muscle building. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Bye for now.